my fucking god, this is mind-blowing. I have never used After Effects. I do not know how to make motion graphics, and I just made this video using Claude Code and Remotion. What I did was get the website of this brand and give it to Claude Code, make it get brand logo, assets and colors from the website, and use it to make this video. What's even insane is that with my guidance, I was able to add background music, sound effects that are properly timed. Watch the video. Like right now, the only thing that stops anyone from being able to create their own motion graphic videos for their product is creativity. And if you're a motion graphic designer, don't be scared by this, because what this means is that you can now be able to create your motion graphics even faster. And because you've already been doing this, you're going to be more creative than the rest of us. You're going to know exactly how to prompt Claude to be able to build your motion graphics. And people who can't afford motion graphic designers can now be able to make our own. If you'd like me to make a step-by-step tutorial on how I did this, just like this video. You don't have to comment, like it.